What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And today we got some more content for you guys. Today we have a 2K rebuild. I'm deciding what 2K we're gonna do, and I think we are gonna go ahead and do the 2K21. Let me think here. We already did the Knicks on this channel. We already did the Hawks. What team haven't we done? We did the Portland Trail Blazers. Still a lot of teams left. But we haven't done the Magic. Oh yeah. Alright guys, so today is just gonna be a Orlando Magic rebuild. Nothing too big. Yeah, like usual, we do rebuilds. So I'll see you when the game's set up. The game right now. You can see we're just now logging in. Wait. Real quick. Where did that remote go? Alright, so I'll see you when the game is fully set up. So this is a view you guys will be getting. Hopefully that's good. If not, then I'm very terribly sorry. Yeah. That's what the view you're going to be getting. Okay. I'm going to be sitting in this chair today, guys, because our other chair is over there. And this one's also more comfy. So guys, here's the Portland Trail Blazers one we did. We're going to go over here, number 4, and do the Orlando Magic. And if this doesn't work, we're still going to do the Orlando Magic. Oh shoot, I said 2K21. Oops, sorry. On 2K. Oh, so confident too. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get this EW. But no, it's 2K21. Whatever, I don't want you guys seeing my information. So, nope. Look at all these rebuilds. I made this one to 2031. Jeez. Okay. So, guys, hope you guys are enjoying our content that we've been releasing. But if you guys aren't, then I'm really sorry. Also, hope you guys are hyped up for that, Houston Texans rebuild episodes, because next one's tomorrow. And tune in at like 2:30. That's when the video should be posted, or 2:30 to 2:45 is when the posting time should be. Alright, it's for the Magic, so we should not have that good of pick. Dang, we don't even have a lottery pick. Wow. So we'll be trading out here for picks. This is our team. Pretty good. I mean, pretty bad. I'm gonna get a superstar right off the bat. I'm gonna try to get Kyrie Irving. Immediate stardom. If I opt for Kyrie, I'm gonna have to go with a lot. Okay. John Isaac. Can't trade second years. Alright. Well then, Jalen Brown for John Isaac. No. Bang! Jalen Brown and Kyrie. One more superstar, right? One more superstar, and then we'll start getting into like the draft stuff. I think we gotta go. Can we get Jimmy Buckets? If we can get Jimmy Buckets, that'd be awesome. Also, I don't really care about most of these players, because I gotta trade away so much. Gosh, this doesn't go through. What? much is this game won for me? Well, I guess I'm not trading with Jimmy. I'm trying to trade. No, I knew it wouldn't work. Guys, don't try this at home because it's not that easy, but it's also not that hard. It's like in the middle. Can't tell if it's easy, I can't tell if it's hard. Alright, well, I'm still searching here for something. I don't know why I'm still searching. I don't really know what I'm going to find. I'm trying to find another superstar, that's what I'm trying to find. No team whatsoever has that. I get Bam, but they accept this for Bam? No, they would not. I'm not giving up Mo Bamba. Jeez, they want us to fish for Bam? I really thought they would. Okay, well then we gotta keep looking. Literally just someone. I mean, Bagley? They have to go Bagley, right? It's just Bagley. It's just Bagley, bro. Chill. So it's nearly impossible to trade for him too. Who is tradable though? Who is willing to trade away their center? Oh my gosh. It's getting annoying just getting rejected by anyone. They won't accept this. Kristaps. Stop the cap. Yes, they would. In real life, they would 100% accept that. Now the Nets have Vucevic. Now the Nets are set. Okay, Nets, alright. Just the center. Don't care what center. Oh my gosh. Oh wait, I know a player. I know the perfect player. Wendell Carter. As of my look right now, sure. What? I gotta start trade finding for people. Let's trade finder Mo. Let's trade finder these three. These two. I'd have to give up Jaylen Brown to give him a bio. I'm not doing that. It's a 1 year. Gosh. I have no center. I could try to trade for a high overall pick with these players. Sure, why not? James Ennis, Birch, Rusty Four. I think we get the number 2, right? Couldn't we get the number 1 then? Too many players. Number 3. I might overstacked it with players. I've overstacked it with players. I got the number 3 overall pick. I have a chance of getting LaMelo, but I want really bad James Wiseman. Yeah, they took LaMelo. They're probably gonna take James Wiseman right here, because they don't really need a guard. Oh, let's go! We get James Wiseman, baby. That's easy. Easy work for James Wiseman. And they were like, "Are you sure you want to get James Wiseman?" Hold up. It's not. It's Denny Avdia. Devin Vassell still here? But I'd basically be trading. If I get Denny Avdia, I'd basically be trading for the same player, inch higher and like 100 pounds bigger. Why would I not choose Denny Avdia? But at the same time, I am looking for big man. And Jalen Smith does fill that hole. So, I'm going to pick Jalen Smith. I got rid of a power forward. I need to get back to power forward. Desmond Bain, that's easy picks. I'm going to sign all of them. Now, there is Anthony Davis, but he usually does not sign with a trash team like me. Yep, see, we're the third offer. So we fix it. See a guy like Montrezl Harrell sitting around here? I'm just telling you guys I'm not actually going to do it because it'd be like basically getting a free 87 for, like, if you guys want to like do a competition like who can rebuild this team first with your friends, get Montrezl Harrell in free agency, put him into power forward. He gets up 3 overalls from 84. Simple way to get like 87. I'm not going to do it, but if you guys want to, you guys are welcome to. Easy. Usually I would sign Montrezl Harrell, but see, now we start getting a lot of offers. But at the start, where Anthony Davis is in, it's basically like Anthony Davis. You know, I'm going to try to get him just to show an example. If I get him though, then I'm going to get him. If I get him, I'm going to trade him the first year though. Because it'd technically be cheating if I had Montrezl Harrell. Plus I got Mo Bamba and I don't really need Montrezl Harrell. Why did I even get him? It's a waste of money. I'm literally going to do one of the stupidest moves ever. I pick up a 85, 84, and I'm just going to trade him. I'm going to release him because I'm going to cause more. You know what? I'm going to do something crazy. I'm going to get him to 87. I have proof. Look, 87 overall, right behind Kyrie. And now I'm going to release him. And now, ooh, Montrezl Harrell. Free agency. He's gone. Let's see what team he went to, though. Let's see what actual team he went to. No, I'm gonna try to spell his last name. Oh, it's spelled Hero like that. What team did he go to, though? I need to see what team he went to. And I guess I gotta look on the rosters. It's gonna be like an 87, so usually that's like a second player. So interesting. Can't tell what team he went to. All players. Let's go to 87. Montrezl Harrell, few player. He went to the Lakers. Dang. Lakers went out there and snagged themselves a power forward. Sheesh, he's too. LeBron James weighs more than a big man. What the heck is happening? LeBron, calm down. Alright. Ooh, whoever you are, you're gonna be on our team because you're. What's your potential though? Because if your potential is high, then I might put untapped potential on you. But if your potential is low, then I'm still gonna put untapped potential on you. Let's look real quick. Wagner. I don't know what his potential, how much his potential he has. Oh, it's A minus. He has high potential. That's insane. That's good. Alright, well, let's get to training camps. We only have one. We're going to put it on James Wiseman, though. Because we want Wiseman to be good more than we want. We want Wiseman to be good more than we want that guy to be good. Oh my gosh, how many players do we have? 3, 6, 9, 12. We have 14. What are you talking about? I guess we don't have 14. I guess we only have 13. Miscounted then. Yeah, that's one off. So this is what our team looking like. Personally, I'm not going to put Jameson Crowder as starter. I'm going to put Mo Bamba there. Actually, you know what? I'm going to make his overall go up too. I'm going to switch him to power forward. Because that's where we need him to play, because James Wiseman is taller. Now, 85 overall Mohamed Bamba. And now he's in the starting lineup. Our team is going to do well. I'll tell you that right now. If it doesn't do well, it'll be a little disappointing though. Lost the Hornets. Beat them. Yeah, simulating is going very fast. And I don't know why. Sorry for the remainder of the season. Why not? I forgot to disable CPU trades. Beat the Miami Heat. Beat them. Contract extensions. None of these guys I care about. 3 sign. I thought it was going to be like much more. Kyrie's in 2 years. Yeah, a lot of these guys' contracts are not up for a while. So far, we're second in the league behind the Nets, who surprising because we got rid of Kyrie from them, which means he should be an All-Stars, right? He did make the All-Stars. So did Vucevic, which means that he's balling out over there. CP3 made the All-Stars. Okay, he's balling out over in OKC. And this is the team we're sticking with the rest of the year. We lose to Giannis, we beat them, lose to the Raptors. Alright, so we are right here. Make the round, and we win. And now, I think we got this in the bag, right? You think, but then 2K makes it so much more difficult. I thought they'd make it so much more difficult. Alright, we move on. It's them. Now this is interesting because we're evenly matched. Except for at point guard and a shooting guard. Evenly matched small forward. Evenly matched at power forward. About even, we're not even close to, we're a little bit close to evenly matched to center. And remember, whatever team wins this round goes to the finals. So I'm going game by game because I do not trust my team out there by themselves. See what I mean? Alright. At home, we have to take this dub. We're in the finals, baby, against Ja Morant and Jaren Jackson. Okay, and why is Wiseman's out? And so is Robert Williams. So who's our center? I think it has to be Mohamed Bamba, right? It's Jalen Smith. How tall is Jalen Smith again? Bamba's 7 foot. Smith, 6'10". We're switching that around real quick. Simulate a game. They take game 1. That's bad. We take game 2. Alright. We take game 3. Wiseman's back. Why is Ennis playing starter? Who's our shooting forward? Jamie Smith, what happened? Why did you fall off? Good, Jamie? Just giving those minutes to Wiseman, baby. We're about to be finals champions, guys. We're so close. So close. Oh, that changes everything. Hey! Let's go, guys. Let's go. Champions, Kyrie Irving gets the dub. Gets a championship. The thing he's been hoping for a while. Let's go, guys. We are just popping off. We literally are like, we just rebuilt a team in 1 year. easiest rebuild on the channel probably ever. Guys, that's gonna do it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. And I want you to try to tell me what color the like button was. So was it white, black, blue? Let me know. Let me know in the comments below. See you next time, boys. Peace out.